Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we talk all things Canvas LMS. In case you're new here, my name is Lauren, I'm the Canvas Queen, and in today's episode, I'm so excited to be sharing with you some really awesome technology tools, also some artificial intelligence applications that you can use within your Canvas LMS course, or really honestly, just in your classroom as well. Of course, there are very similar technology tools that do essentially the same thing, if not identical, to what I'm going to demonstrate for you today. But the tools that I'm going to show you are free with limitations, meaning that some of them have a free trial that you can use or limited based on the number of hours or minutes that you're using the tool. I'm very excited to show you these tech tools that you can use in your classroom today, but before we get into it, I would really appreciate it if you would like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am so close to 5,000 subscribers, which is just so exciting to me. So I want to thank all of you for following me along, and if you're new, thanks for joining the Canvas Queen crew. All right, let's get into this video. Into some AI tools that you can use to add accessibility into your course, I want to show you something that you can do with ChatGPT that will make a reading or some sort of article more differentiated for either your grade level or, let's say, someone who maybe has a learning disability like dyslexia. You can find any article that you want to use and then ask ChatGPT to alter it for you and make it more easily readable for your grade level or, again, those students that may struggle with reading. So I'm on sciencenews.org. I love using science examples because I was a science teacher, but we're going to scroll down and we're going to use this article. So maybe you have an evolution lesson that you want to use, and all I'm going to do is copy and paste this into ChatGPT. All right, so we're in ChatGPT. I'm going to paste that article in. All right, so in the background, I've kind of edited my copy and paste since it wasn't seamless, and I've provided a prompt which states, rewrite this article for 8th grade reading level. Make sure the new rewritten article is about the same length as the original. So I want to make sure that there is enough for the students to read, and the ChatGPT is not just summarizing this. And so I've given it or labeled the title and then the article body. So we're just going to now hit the little send button and we're going to see what it comes up with. All right, so it is now finished, and what I can do from here is I can copy this. So I'm just going to select all of this, copy it, and we're going to come into my Canvas assignment here. And I've kind of set up a little template for my science article. And so I'm going to select this section and hit paste. And we'll go backspace. And then we're going to select all of this so it matches. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger font. Format, fonts, Balsamic Sans. This is my favorite font, especially for elementary, because it's a little bit easier for our new readers to read. So I love this font. Okay, so now we have everything in, and one thing that I'm going to add here, so we can even come back to ChatGPT and I can say to the AI, so I wrote, rewrite the above article for students who struggle to read and are at a 5th grade reading level. Okay, so it's finished, and we can definitely tell that there are some differences. This is a little bit easier to read, and so I'm going to copy this, and I've changed some things within my code here. So we are going to paste, I'll show you on the other end. So we're going to paste this here, and then I am going to hit this button, and I've created tabs. So what I've done now, and let's see if it works. So this is the original article that we altered, and then I have a modified article. So we can even go back into this. I'm going to change this up a little bit. Okay, so I've added the paragraphs. We're going to make it size 14 font. We're going to change the font back to just Balsamic Sands and then hit save. So here's the original and then here's the modified. So now we've made this more differentiated for different levels of our students, our readers, our learners, and also a little bit more accessible. And I could do this over and over again with code for the different tabs. If you want to see how I made the tabs with code, I suggest you go to my how to create tabs in Canvas video. I'll link that in the description of this video below. But yes, super cool. I really love the way this looks. It's bright and fun and colorful, and it's also usable. The next tool that I want to show you that you can use to make your course more accessible is Amazon Polly. What's great about this is that it is free to use. You can purchase it, but again, you get 5 million characters for free per month for 12 months. So that you can use this for a year and get pretty much unlimited access. And it is a text to speech tool. So we're going to log in real quick. Just click get started with Polly. I already have an account. I am now logged in into the account, and I'm going to select the application of Amazon Polly. So the basics of this tool is you're going to type anything in this input text box right here. You can choose a language of any kind, and then you can choose a voice. My favorite has been Joanna.
Hi, my name is Joanna. I will read any text you type here.
You can choose any. There's male, female.
Hi, I'm Matthew. I will read any text you type here.
There are multiple voices for you to choose from. I'm going to stick with my friend Joanna for right now. And we're going to go back to Canvas and copy our article. Go back to Amazon Polly. We're going to paste this article in and then, of course, listen to it to make sure that it sounds okay.
Scientists have found a 120 million-year-old fossil bird in China that may help explain how dinosaurs became birds.
So I've listened to the whole thing. It sounds great. My next step is to download this. So we're going to click download, and it will then download as an MP3 that I'm going to upload into Canvas. I am now back in Canvas, and I'm going to upload that file. So here's the file. I've renamed it Science Article Audio. We're going to open it, and it's going to download into Canvas. So I've returned to the assignment where the reading is, and we're going to scroll down to the bottom of the first reading section, which is right here. And I am going to come over to this media. You can see if I zoom in real quick, it looks like the play button and the music icon. So I'm going to select this and do course media, which is then, I'll zoom back out, going to pop up with my audio recording. I'm going to select it, and it is going to then be right there for the students to play and listen to. So let me hit save, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so I've saved it, and we can scroll down, and now we can hit the play button.
Scientists have found a 120 million-year-old fossil bird in China that may help explain how dinosaurs became birds. The bird.
So now students can read along and listen to the reading if they would like. Just another thing that you can do, which makes your course way more accessible and user-friendly. This next tool that I'm going to show you is very exciting. It will add any subtitles or captions to a video recording that you have. One of the issues with this application is that there is a price for it, but they do, as you can see right here, they do have a free trial, which is essentially you get, I think it was 60 minutes worth of subtitles and video recording for free per month. So just kind of keep that in mind. We're going to sign in over here. I've already signed up. And you can see I already have one video, but we're gonna start a new project here. And it's going to open kind of a blank Canvas template. So we're going to add a video. So I'm just gonna come and open my files, go to my documents, and I'm just gonna select a random video for an example. And we're gonna click and drag this into Descript, and it's going to start loading. So we're gonna say done. And then right here, it shows us that the video is preparing and it's at 50% now loaded. Okay, so it is now done. And you can see it is actually developed a script here. So when I click play, I'm going to select this and it's going to open up all of my designs that I've made in Canva. So we have a script that is developed. You'll notice that the captions are currently not overlaid in the video. So you have options. You can either just use this as a script service, so meaning you can copy and paste this and then have like a linked attached document to any video that you post. So that way students can read the video instead of watching the video. So now we have the video example, we have the video embedded into the Canvas page. And if a student needed a video script, they could simply click the link here and they could read exactly what's going on in the video. Now let's say you don't want a video script. Let's say instead you want captions. What's great about this application is all I have to do to add captions is select Command K. This window or menu will pop up and we're going to type in captions. There we go. Click Insert Captions, and now there will be an overlay of captions that will appear, and I can actually adjust the box, which is awesome, or I can drag it and move it around. But this is where the captions will appear in the video. So let's hit play and see what this looks like. I'm going to select this and it's going to open up all of my designs that So it looks great. I'm gonna kind of edit it just a little bit, maybe make it a little bit smaller, center it, and then also I'm going to alter the font. So we're gonna come over here and we're going to change the fill and the outline to blue and white. We can change the font. This one looks nice. Okay, so now I can continue to play and see what this looks like. If made in Canva, I can choose a worksheet that I've created in Canva and import it into my assignment. So this is great. This looks really good. Students can now watch the video and read along with the subtitles at the exact same time. And all I have to do now is publish it and download it onto my computer. To download this video, all I'm going to do is go to Publish, and then we're going to click on this download button. Now, you might see that this button is not clickable for you. That just means the video is not finished and it needs to continue to be rendered in order to download onto your computer. So I'm going to download this now, and now the download is complete. So I'm back in my files. I'm going to upload. We're going to go to our downloads, Canva preview number 1, open this. We're going to go back to our video example, go to media, course media, and it says it's still processing, so we'll just wait a little bit. The video is now done, so I'm going to click on it to embed it within the page, and then we're going to scroll down and click save. We will play this. I'm going to select this and it's going to open up all of my designs that I've made in Canva. Yay! So now we have captions on our video. Well, I really hope that these technology tools, AI, applications, whatever you want to call them, are useful and that you try them out in your classroom. If you have any more questions regarding anything within this video, feel free to leave a comment below and I will absolutely respond to it as soon as I can. It's pretty crazy how fast technology is advancing, and I really want to encourage you to just try one new thing out that would really help you and maybe cut down some of the workload for you as a teacher. Alright everyone, well, I hope this was a helpful video and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!